one.
Hey guys, welcome to this episode. We're out on a little adventure. Too nice to be inside. We want to test out the camping setup. So we went out to the state park, got a spot. No one else is here. We just went for a hike. This spot's amazing. There's all kinds of cool things to look at. And I'm going to show you guys our camp spot right now and what we have set up because it's pretty cool. Come with me, let's go. All right, so this is where we got the taco set up. We got the tent on it, looking pretty good. It's right next to the water and the bridge. Gonna be a nice sounding night to sleep. Taco looking good as ever. Come over here. This is our little fire pit area. Got the camping chairs. We got the hammock set up between these two trees here. Be able to chill by the fire, listen to the water. Got the cooler, the tote of random stuff. Usually the kitchen stuff goes in there. Picnic table's all set up. Ashley's here. The dog's here. Stone, there he is. Everything's set up pretty good. We're gonna go for a hike and check out what we're looking at right now. We're on the hike right now, going across this crazy bridge. It's gonna be crazy. Man, check out this spot. This looks really deep. I kind of really want to hop in. Guys, I just can't resist. I'm hopping in. It's gonna be freezing. You're gonna see a fat guy with no shirt on, but I hope you enjoy it. I gotta go for a swim. Oh! 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 It's so cool.
One.
All right, so that was way colder than I thought it was gonna be, but it's May, so it makes sense. The dog's going crazy now. Things are just wild. We're gonna hike back to the camp wet. This is my only shirt. It was worth it. All right, so we just got back from the hike, and apparently the swim kind of was fun. Really cool. Got back, I'm drying out a little bit. Shirt's dry. I'm gonna start a fire though, so I'm gonna do a little time lapse, maybe put some music behind it, because I'm gonna listen to music while I jam out and try to make a fire, see how well that goes. I haven't made one, only made one once this season, so it's gonna be interesting. So enjoy this little time lapse of however long it takes me to do this. So I got the fire lit. This little hatchet is awesome for this stuff. I was able to cut the wood up super small. I don't know what brand this is, but my mom got it for me as a gift, and it's freaking awesome. So if you're watching this, Mom, thank you. You just lit a fire for me. You guys are enjoying the video, hit like, hit subscribe if you want me to catch things on fire more. I could do that. We're gonna get this ready to cook some hot dogs on. We're making hot dogs and mac and cheese for dinner. I'm gonna set up the camp stove. Show you guys like the setup we're working with for the camping, cooking, action. It's really coming together. We're really starting to have a really nice setup for going out. Fire's good. Let it burn down a little bit, get ready for hot dogs. I'm gonna get the stove ready. That's our water set up in the back of the truck here. It works for now. This is the camp grill I've been running. This is the Coleman Triton. I've had this for almost a year now, I think. Using a handful of times. Works pretty good. There's Ashley.
You mean like 5 months?
5 months I've had that? Okay, I've only had it for like 5 months. I lied to you guys. Give you a little highlight of the camp again. Now the sun's setting. There's the truck with the tent set up. I have a garbage bag hanging right here. Looking pretty good. Fire's going. I'm gonna start cooking here once we get a good bed of coals. Looking pretty awesome. I'm getting the mac and cheese water boiling right now. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about my camping setup, what I'm using, how I'm organizing everything. I'll be happy to answer or even do a full video on my camping stuff. Usually I forget half my stuff because I'm in a rush. This one was actually we actually did a 24-hour advance planning on this one, not just 10 minutes. So I was able to bring all my stuff and really kind of test everything this time. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm really liking the way I have my setup right now. This is the first time I'm really kind of putting it through the paces and kind of everything's coming together. I'm loving it. This spot's great. Everything's working really good. So if you have any questions, hop in the comments. We can talk about it.
Put salt and pepper on that? Dude, who beats a spiral mac and cheese?
Shapes.
No.
Shapes are better than spirals.
Oh my god, there's so much bread in these freaking buns.
Guys, let me know in the comments, do you think shapes or spirals are better mac and cheese flavored noodle type? I'm a shapes guy myself.
Spiral.
Yo, check out that meal. Boom! Alright, I'm gonna eat this. I'll see you guys when I want to see you again because I'm gonna eat and chill. Alright, so we're done eating now. This is what I got to do the dishes in. This works great. I just kind of do them and the water drips down and boom. Clean dishes. So I'm going to clean these dishes up. Starting to get pretty dark now, but I wanted to show you guys what I do for sound. This is just a cheap Anchor sound core, it's called. Lasts a good 6 hours. I've had it for about a year now, and it usually stayed in the garage I used to hang out at, but I brought it out on this camping trip. It holds up really well, sounds loud enough, and its price is pretty solid. It's really cheap. Well, it was when I bought it. I don't know what price this is now. And then to charge my phone, I don't have service here, but I have music downloaded. This is actually just my my drone battery charger. It's like a battery holder. It keeps all the batteries regulated. You can also charge things off of it, and it works good. It's kind of like the only power bank I have right now until I figure out a different power bank. That's a little lantern. I'll show you that when it gets a little darker. But that's kind of like the base setup now. You know, you got the bug spray. Fire's still going. That's the tent. That's really all I really bring camping, other than chairs. Everything I have here is like a budget. So I can go over it more in depth about like exactly what it is, but everything I have to go camping, I try to get as cheap as possible with the like medium to high quality. All right guys, thanks for spending the day with us. We're gonna head up to bed. We're gonna come back in the morning, cook some breakfast and pack up. It's not over yet, but we're gonna go to bed for tonight and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. My camera's at 1%. So I'm gonna hurry. I'm gonna make breakfast right now, try to charge up the camera off my little battery bank a little bit, but I'm gonna hurry up now. We're gonna make some eggs and bacon. It's gonna look good. Are you excited? Starting to rain, okay? So I'm in a big rush because I don't want to put this away wet. It's pretty wet already, but I don't want to do it while it's raining. Like, I gotta go now.
Stony Boy and I are just sitting in the truck while Trent does all the work.
All right, everything is packed up. I got it done in like, I don't know, 8 minutes. In the rain, this tree up here protected me a lot from the rain because it was coming down pretty hard, so I'm not that wet. But everything's put away, the tent was put away wet, so it's supposed to be like 90 this Saturday. Supposedly the weather changes here so much, so next nice day, I'm gonna get the tent up and air it all out so it doesn't get any mold build up. So as soon as I can, it's gonna get opened back up and get aired out. But everything's cleaned up. Go ahead and make sure your camp spot looks like this when you're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.